Well, I actually just want to start by saying really thank you to you guys. Thank you for CHOC. I mean, we were just speaking now, 46 years, it speaks for itself. But from our perspective, thank you for allowing us to be a partner. Eli, you were saying now, you were thanking us and so on. But honestly, we recognize we're a boutique brand. We're not, one of the mainstream sort of fitness brands. So for us, it was an absolute privilege. It was an honor to be associated with you guys. And I think when the team first spoke to you, we explained how we were going to do the sort of fundraising. And really it comes down to, as I said earlier, it comes down to our studios, our studio owners, our franchisees. They are the ones that have essentially created the donation. The way that it's worked was anyone that joined our studios in April and May, we donated 50% of the joining fee towards CHOC. And I think when the team was speaking to you guys, we were hopeful that we could hopefully get between sort of 40 and 50,000 rand, which we would be, that's sort of where we were thinking. And really what's happened has been quite phenomenal, because I can tell you now that the amount that's been raised is 151,000 rand. So we're over the moon, because we just, as I said, the buy-in from our studios, from our studio owners has been phenomenal. And what's also really great about this is all our new members also feel attached to CHOC now, because they know that that's what's been happening. We hope it's just the first step. We hope that there's lots of opportunity going forward, and we certainly look forward to working with you guys in a number of different ways, as we've been talking about earlier.
Thank you.
So I think just from our side, this is like almost 4 times we expected. I think that the thoughts is just mind-boggling. I think for us, it's about children with cancer. Often they are not the thought because of just the emotional well-being, and sadly, because the thought of a child getting a disease of this level is just, it's not something we can contemplate. I think for us, realizing that you were the conduit, 1, to create the donation portal, 2, to create the awareness, and 3, it just shows the incredible values, 1, from the leadership, 2, from every staff member, but more importantly, every person that joined for the good of enhancing their body experience, their experience to create a healthy environment, but also a healthy environment for other families. So really it's people for people, children for children, adults for adults. And I think that value structure is a phenomenal opportunity, and we can't say thank you to every person that joined in support of a great organization, but also joined to say, well, they want to put their first foot forward to say they want to help children with cancer. They want to support. They want to be there for people that often don't have a voice. And for us, from CHOC side, from the COW side, but just as importantly for those patients that wouldn't have a voice and don't have a voice. I always say that you will not meet 90% of the people this money goes towards. Sure. But at the same stage, when you close your eyes at night, you can hear their thank yous. And it's them and their families that will thank you forever. So to each and every one of you, you don't understand the impact. But the magnitude of what you've done today will live on in these families forever. So thank you very much.